I find myself that I'm still with you. I used to do my damn thing, waking up in and out of strangers' bed. But now I know I'm the one who always been with you. In and out without a menu, in and out we gotta do. Oh baby, as long as I can serve you with my love, as long as I can turn into real beast mode, making fresh love all night, just like the first time. As long as I can serve you with extra love, and I with it all the night. Always want you some more. I used to wake up smelling like dumpster, ketchup stain on my new shirt, slice more chopped and grilled and for now. Now I know I'm the one who always been with you. In and out without a menu, in and out we gotta do.
Thought I'd do like a face mask, so I bought this in Korea. It's like cool tea tree modeling mask cup pack. So hard to open. Okay, so the instruction says to 7 to 8 cups of water with this match. Okay, so I got water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Looking pretty good. I don't really want to get over my hands. It's very minty.
As long as I can serve you with my love, as long as I can turn into real beast mode, making fresh love all night, like the first time. As long as I can serve you with extra love, and I it all night. We didn't give up.
Oh my god, I got it all over my lips. I think I got most of it on. Wow, it made my skin very soft. I feel very moisturized or fresh, I guess, because it was a tea tree mask. I really like it. I should have bought more. This is the crime scene afterwards. Oh my god, I destroyed it. I'm just gonna throw it out. It's so gross. Hey guys, today is the 15th December. We're gonna go to the mall and donate some toys to kids because they have like a donation box there. My parents are there very much as hoarders. They literally have so much stuff from like when me, my sister, and my brother were kids. So I thought might as well donate these toys because they've been like dusting away in like storage boxes and they're in good conditions. We have a lot of plushies, so and I bought these really cute like hair clips. They're like white bows, but ribbon bows, but they're so cute. I think like it just like adds so much, even though I look like I just woke up. But yeah, I already put a little bit of makeup on. I did my eyebrows, and I recently bought. I've been trying to find a purple like color correcting concealer, and I used to have this one. I bought this one at Olive Young. I don't know if it'll focus. Luna, but I think they stopped selling this in it because I can't find this anywhere. So I ended up buying like the NYX one. They come with 6 different colors. I used just the purple one because it just helps color correct my face a bit more. And then I contoured my nose. I really like, I'm just showing off my favorite products. I've tried a lot, and so this one is really nice. This one I got for free at the pop-up shop. And then I also bought like this 3CE palette. This one's really cute, and I use like this color. Maybe. So pretty. I love 3CE. Their lip tints are also amazing. I lost like 3 lipsticks already because I don't know why I keep losing them. I'm so sad. I'm contemplating whether or not I should put eyelashes on, or I think that's a bit too much. Maybe tomorrow I'll wear lashes. I'll just curl my current lashes. That's today. Tomorrow I have my work dinner. I am a little bit worried about it, but you know, it's whatever. But yeah, I'll see you guys. Okay, these are all the plushes. Highly recommend this one. I have this one at home. I just got home from dinner with my sister and her boyfriend and picked up some errands. I'm so excited for this package because I got new bed sheets. Okay, so stuff I bought more vitamins, omega 369, being healthy, and then I treated myself to like this gel bead face mask. Apparently it's supposed to help with like inflammation, and like I struggle with that a lot around like this area of my face, so I bought this. And then I bought this clay mask. It's supposed to be, this package seems really beat up. I wanted to get like bed sheets like this so I can like vlog like maybe me making my bed. Just got my package for my pillowcase, my silk one that I bought, so like I'm already cracked it open. Really silk. Apparently this is supposed to be like really good for your hair. How do I open this? Oh, through here. I can open it. Means everything. Wow, so fancy. I got the ivory color, and then I bought my sister the light blue one for her Christmas present. I'm actually gonna wash this first because I don't want to put it on and have to take it off. This is the fit for my our work party. We have to wear these ugly Christmas sweaters, so I stole one from my cousin because I'm not buying one. But yeah, ho ho ho. These like pigtails. I don't know. I have like the ones with the long. I think I showed it earlier. The ribbon, they're longer, but I think this is cuter. Can you see it? Like, it looks like this in the back. I don't know if it looks weird, but I might take it off later, but who knows. Wait, what are the other ones?
Just take it slow. I'll wait to find love. Better hear the call again. For now I will feel the ocean.
Take her outside.
I pray that it won't be over soon.
Alright, there's like a fortune, right? Oh, it's a bad joke.
It's like a picture.